Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, AgEagle Aerial Systems Inc UAVs just filed an 8K detailing their annual shareholder meeting results, and I am seeing a clear endorsement of leadership. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. The shareholders have spoken, and it looks like the current team at AgEagle has their backing. So AgEagle Aerial Systems Inc held its annual meeting on the 15th of June 2026. This filing basically tells us what happened at that meeting, specifically what the shareholders voted on and how they voted. It is like getting a report card for the company's leadership and proposals. The company, AgEagle Aerial Systems Incorporated, is primarily involved in technology and computer hardware, focusing on drones, as we've seen from recent news like their drone sales to an ASEAN customer and even a past sale to the US Army. They have a market cap of around $51 million, with their stock currently trading below $1. They also have a relatively small employee count of 58. Institutional investors like Vanguard and BlackRock hold modest stakes. First up, let's look at the election of directors. This is where shareholders get to say if they want the current board members to stay in their positions. Think of it as a vote of confidence. All 5 director nominees proposed by the company were elected. This means the shareholders agree with the direction these leaders are steering the company. Looking at the numbers, Grant Begley received a substantial number of votes in favour, nearly 4.84 million. While there were over 976,000 votes withheld, this is pretty standard in director elections. The most striking number here is the over 17 million broker non-votes. This indicates that for the shares held by brokers on behalf of their clients, those brokers did not receive voting instructions for this specific item. So the votes for and withheld are from shareholders who directly instructed their votes. The fact that director nominees received multi-million votes in favour shows strong support from those who actively participated. Next, we have the say on pay vote. This is an advisory vote, meaning shareholders are giving their opinion on how the company's executives are compensated. It's not binding, but a strong negative vote can send a message. Here, a significant majority voted in favour of the executive compensation, with over 4.84 million votes for, about 820,000 voted against, and around 146,000 abstained. Similar to the director vote, there were over 17 million broker non-votes. The clear majority in favour suggests that shareholders, on the whole, are comfortable with how the company is compensating its top brass. This aligns with recent news headlines like AgEagle shareholders, back directors, executive pay, and auditor, which indicates a generally positive sentiment from those participating in the vote. The final key item voted on was the ratification of their independent auditors, Grassi and Company. CPA's PC companies need to have their financial statements reviewed by an independent firm to ensure accuracy and trust. This vote saw overwhelming support, with over 20.4 million votes in favour of ratifying the appointment. There were only about 2.5 million votes against and a little over 105,000 abstentions. Notably, there were 0 broker non-votes on this item. This is a really strong endorsement of